So this one is recommended, no? You have red wine. Ano ba siya? Red wine na we're eating on a
Beef stew in red wine sauce.
beef stew and red wine sauce. We're eating on a nice Vietnamese resto.
3 minutes walk from the Parliament building.
No, 3 minutes walk from Parliament building. Hannah has
There's
her,
Pho,
ano tong niyo?
the classic.
The
beef
classic, the standard. This is also my favorite. No? Ang sarap. Palaging order ko to sa kan eh. Robinsons. That's my favorite. Mayahasi. Ano yun?
Shrimp.
Shrimp with rice. Then may
Garlic
paaman.
shrimp.
Also for the shrimp. Okay.
Sarap. Delicious. Very delicious.
Of course, ito naiwan.
I love bread.
Bread. And yung
We've been
Classic
on a bread
na-
diet for 10
classic,
days.
classic na ano to, spring rolls. Ito highly recommended to. First time ko natikman to. This is in red wine. Beef stew in red wine. Tapos very rich yung soup niya. Daming herbs. Then potato. Nasulit to siya. Nakakabusog. The setup is here. Entrance. Maganda. Recommended. This only parang 10 minutes walk na Hana, no?
3.
3 minutes, no? Maganda yung setup nila. Then yung nagsiserve is really originally galing Vietnam. They have their setup. Huh? Yung decoration nila. Originally. Ayan. The only guest, early guest, because we had we're hitting our brunch here.
So much for you hungry.
And
Before lunchtime.
okay. Mga eaters
Hungarian.
We're hungry.
or in Hungary. Dapat pala kuwan tayo. We should find ways to eat yung Hungarian sausage. Huh?
Bitter.
Okay.